Okay guys, hi, welcome to another type of picture video. This is where I went to and I saw these animals. I only took the pictures that I liked. Let's go through. Number one, we saw food. Look at that, very tasty, right? I'll save the second one for last. Number three, a monkey, which looks weird. Number four, those are cheetahs, but I could not take the picture properly. Those are cheetahs in Africa. Next, we have a snake here. Next, let me zoom in. Look at that face. Very nice. Looks dangerous though. Look at this. What is it called again? A monitor lizard. One of its claws were broken, but I don't think you can see it. Can you? Nope. Next, we have a catfish. As you can see at the top of its head, it looks so weird. Oh my. Next, we have a peacock which shaded all its feathers at the back. You know the beautiful feathers of a peacock at the back? It shaded all of it. Next, we have this bird that my brother was holding on his shoulder. It's quite harmless and very cute. And my camera was blurry. Yep. Next, we have this. That's me holding, and that's my phone, and me holding that bird. Next, we have, I don't know what type of bird was this, but it was very cute. Next, we have this Ugandan birds, I mean. They look kind of weird. It looks like they have a stylish hairstyle, like a mohawk. Next, we have an owl, an African owl, an African spotted eagle owl. Doesn't that look so nice? Look at it. Next, we have another picture of the owl and another one at the background. I guess they were sleeping. Next, we have this bird again. I don't know why I'm showing it, but let's skip to another one. Now, this bird is called a feathered pigeon. It has quite a weird name and looks very weird. Moving over. Now, these are other pigeons. The one I just said. Next, we have this. These are lovebirds. If they love each other, and they have bird eggs, if one of them dies and it was the parent to that mother, the other one, which was the parent to that other baby, dies too immediately. Next, we have this type of birds, which I don't even know the name. My camera was blurry. Next, some type of parrots. Forget about them. Next is the video now. Let's check out this video. 3, 2. It's just an ostrich moving. It's not a long video, just a short, very, very short one. Look at it. Wow. Look at those llamas, everybody. Okay, I guess that was it. Or was that it? Yeah, looks like that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Another video will be uploading soon. Peace.